Whose head is going to carry the face?
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubine, opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation. Fuji House of Commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of Commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this spectral union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation. A Fuji House of Commotion, catering practical solutions. A Fuji House of Commotion, peaceful peace with confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation.
What differences?
I know something. Did you see that box he was carrying?
Which of you?
The whole box he was carrying.
Box? Inside. What about it?
Look, I don't know what is inside.
No.
0. How many clothes does he have, sir? Even if they add all our clothes, it still won't fill it. It is books.
Books?
Yes, books. He is reading all of them, and Brother Pedro is helping him. Tell me how he wants to.
We must take action.
Yes!
What are we going to do?
We steal his books, of course.
Yes!
What of the key?
We break it with us.
Yes!
We no go green, yo. We no go green. State quiz contest.
Now we go win. We no go green, yo. We no go green. State quiz contest. Now we go win. We no go green, yo. We no go green. State quiz contest. Now we go win. Say we no go green, yo. We no go green. State quiz contest. Now we go win. We no go green, yo. We no go green. State quiz contest. Now we go win. We no go green, yo. We no go green.
Would we join them?
Yes, let's go in before they finish sharing the book.
Leave them. We don't need their books.
We do. Me, I need it too.
I need it too. I want to read though.
Will you stop arguing with me?
Let's go, Joe. I
don't need their books.
I need to have a
I need the book now. I want to read now. I want to pass.
See, Rabiu. He has been bad to you. Wait to hear what he did now. See, your girl. Well, I know much more. See, Rabiu has snatched her from you. It's true. Rabiu has been going there even when you don't send him. True. Rabiu has been going there. True. I see them on my way from school walking, and they'll be embracing like this.
Come.
What happened to my box? Reading. Look, let me tell you, nobody will read in this house if I don't find that box.
Are we the ones that said you should misplace it?
How can I misplace such a big box? Eh? You people should find my box for me. Oh.
Did we help you misplace it?
I wonder. Did you even tell us we had a box?
Stop it. You haven't seen any disturbance, so you haven't seen any disturbance. I've just snatch your girlfriend from you. I've been helping you with your girlfriend. I'm helping you with your girlfriend now.
Down before I leave you.
Hey! Somebody call Chief.
Children.
Darling.
Yeah. 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 But yeah.
Mommy, welcome.
Yeah.
Jumoke, what am I seeing?
Mom, you'll be proud of me when I win that scholarship.
Since when did you and Benro become friends? Jumoke, I don't want you with him. Oh. I am warning you, oh Jumoke. I am warning you. Oh. Leave him. Oh. You saw what became of friendship.
Mommy, he's only teaching me now. What's more?
He's only teaching you. And he was only teaching Rabiu as well. And as for teaching, is that not why I paid for special coaching? Come on, stand up and follow me right now. Then you are no only can teach him here. You know, teach him. Oh, go for
Inside, all of you, now! Inside! Inside, all of you!
Mommy, you're shouting. What happened to the media resolution?
Yeah. Media resolution.
Yes, sir. No more shouting. Papa is your friend.
Yes. Hello? Anybody there? Is anything there? Come on, get inside, all of you! Get inside! Don't send people. Get inside! Get inside! I do your children or my children?
is it, Chief? What is it? Must you shout one's name when you call? Yeah.
No wonder all your children are Dundee United. What sense? They take after their lazy one.
Biko.
Shame to you. And at the same time, shame on you. Shame on you. You have 2 children in school, yet none of them can win any award. Are you to Kumbi?
What I do, T?
What I do? See your life. You see your life? When you can't even speak correct grammar, how can your child be intelligent in school? Like mother, like son.
But now I spoke better grammatical. Since I go to adult educate. And Rabiu is read plenty book. Well, I want to put you see, he win competitor.
When the result has been announced. Shut up! They pick the best from the schools, and none of you qualified. Nonsense. Oti what? Look, as for the best from your school, he came last in the competition. Yes.
Rabiu is qualified if he go to good school.
Qualificate indeed.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
In other words, Chief, that means you did not send your children to good school.
I beg you, you chose the schools now. My own business was to pay school fees. Abi?
Choose a good school for them. Get involved in their life. Enopa. Money is not everything.
All right. I will remind you of what you are saying now when next you ask me for money. I will remind you. As for Mufu, his own school did not even qualify at all.
But Bami, what of our own?
Your own. I had my eyes on these two fools. I had my eyes on them. I thought that they would do better, but what did I see? Big embarrassment. Big embarrassment. After I have boasted to Caro and all my friends.
Why should you boast to Caro and your friends? Are you the one who wrote the exam?
Why shouldn't I boast? Please, why shouldn't I boast? A man is entitled to believe that his children will meet his expectation. But what do we find? $1 dollars.
Bami, what about us now?
What about you? Oh, okay, your own. Look, I try to encourage you young ones to kind of start reading in time, so that by the time your elders win the award, you will just take over from them and start winning after they are finished, so that we will keep it all in the family.
The family inheritance.
How can it be family inheritance now, please? When their mothers are dollars who don't have anything in the
Let us look at this thing very well. All the children here don't have a mother in common. It is a father that they have in common.
So, what are you saying?
That shows that they take after their father.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of Commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of Commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect the spectral union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji House of